in certain company.
National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Ascension Parish in southeastern Louisiana, South Central Livingston Parish in southeastern Louisiana, Northwestern St. Charles Parish in southeastern Louisiana, Northeastern St. James Parish in southeastern Louisiana, St. John the Baptist Parish in southeastern Louisiana, until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Reserve, LaPlace, Gramercy, Lutcher, Garyville, Wallace, Edgard, North Vacherie, Kelowna and Motts. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 188 and 212. Interstate 55 in Louisiana between mile markers 1 and 7. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes: